My name's Rob Purvis. I'm the owner-operator of Stone City Woodworks in Kingston, Ontario, Canada, and we design and build custom furniture. Stone City Woodworks is a custom furniture builder. We build everything from live edge tables, custom pieces specializing in live edge furniture, resin epoxy, to kitchen cabinetry. Our Maso equipped product is our CanCam CNC. We use our Maso equipped CNC to flatten slabs, which gives us nice flat tables. We use it for home decor, such as cutting art pieces that are hung on the wall. The Maso controller allows us to do so many different things within the software that saves time. We've been able to go into new industries with different projects, and it has taken our work efficiency to another level. Before, we weren't able to do kitchen cabinets. We'd have to cut them by hand, and it would take hours upon hours. With the CNC, an entire kitchen can be cut in one afternoon. It also saves us time from having to hand router everything. It's definitely been a huge time saver. In the past, we had a desktop CNC, which was a great entry-level machine, but it couldn't do anything near what our commercial grade one can. Our commercial grade Maso equipped CNC has made our business so much more efficient, allowing us to grow, expand our business, make things much quicker, and make more money. It's allowed us to enter new industries with different products, allowing us to complete more jobs on a better timeline.